React ES6 Arrow functions. Arrow functions. Arrow functions allow us to write shorter function syntax. Example. Before. Code. Example. With arrow function. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icons for further notifications. Thanks in advance. Code. It gets shorter. If the function has only one statement, and the statement returns a value, you can remove the brackets and the return keyword. Example. Arrow functions return value by default. Note, this works only if the function has only one statement. If you have parameters, you pass them inside the parentheses. Example. Arrow function with parameters. Code. In fact, if you have only one parameter, you can skip the parentheses as well. Example. Arrow function without parentheses. Code.